Hello students, good morning. Today your topic is verb, that is kriya, and here I am going to explain what is verb and how it can be recognized. Actually the verb, a definition of verb is an action telling word. You can say in short word that a verb is an action telling word, or it describes action of the subject or the head word. Means verb, what is the function of verb? Function of verb is to describe the action of the head word, the main subject. Means it defines, it tells the action of the head word, whatever is being done by the action or it is done by the action in the sentence. And example of verb is my father teaches me math at home. Here the word teaches me, teaches. This word teaches is telling the action about the father. Means father, what is being done by father? Father is doing the work or function of the teaching to someone, that is me. Whatever is being taught or teach is not, does not matter. What matters who is working here. So the word teaching or teach is telling that the father is working here the work, job of teaching, to give education to someone else. In same way, our English teacher advised me. Who advised? English teacher. If we ask question who or by whom you are done or is being done, then it replies that this particular person. So who, the whenever the reply of who comes with the verb, it tells about the subject. So on this basis we can say that verb is the action telling a word of the subject. In next example again we shall find we shall go to Agra. Who shall go to Agra? We. Word go, this is the verb and it is telling the action, future planning of the pronoun we. Means these persons are planning to go to Agra. So in this way everywhere you will find that we have done or completed. Who has done or who has completed? Whose homework? Our homework or anyone's homework? We. This pronoun, you can replace this by writing Rahul, Ajay, Akshay, whatever word be there, now the pronoun be there. So this verb is defining the action of the word, head word, subject in the sentence. So we can say that verb is the action telling word of the head word. Here fifth example, Ravi hit Rahul. Who hit Rahul? Ravi hit Rahul. So this word hit is telling that who done or who is doing the work of hitting. The person Ravi is hitting. So in this way everywhere is verb is telling the action of the head word. Here he is a doctor. Who is? Though it is not main verb, it is linking verb, yet it is telling something, adding something in this word, that is head word pronoun he, whatever is, this is the doctor. So here I was a magician, he became a physician. All these are the verbs and all these are telling something, adding something in the action or about the action of the head word. Now these are is, was, became, all these three are the linking verb. And Ravi hit, here Ravi hit Rahul, hit is here transitive verb, and here Ravi hit, here hit is intransitive verb. Same verb is at one place intransitive and other place transitive. And how it is intransitive and transitive I shall describe in this chart. So first of all we must know or look towards the chart. Here type or division of the verb. You can or one can divide verb mainly in three parts. First part is finite verb, second part is non-finite verb, and third part is auxiliary verb. Verb can be divided mainly in three parts. After that, what is finite verb, what is non-finite verb, what is auxiliary verb, all these will be described later in next video. But in short, in one view, I would like to explain the whole chart of the verb. Then again, after dividing in main three parts, each part of these three presents another part of the verb, division of the verb. Now finite verb can be divided again in four parts: transitive verb, intransitive verb, linking verb, and phrasal verb. And linking verb of the finite verb can be divided into two parts: be verb and different than be verb. Be verb, what is be verb? Is, am, are, was, were, will, be, shall be. Different than be verbs: grows, looks, become, seems, etc. All these are the linking verb and then phrasal verb. Actually, linking verb is here. He is a doctor. I was a magician. Is, was, became. All these are the linking verb. And why linking? Because these are linking, adding something more in its head word. Here I can say, you can say he is. What is he? A doctor. Means the word noun doctor is defining he, adding something more. Something adjective is being added by the word doctor and with the help of the linking verb is. In same way, I was a magician. Here noun magician is being added in the pronoun I. I is the head word and this word was is telling something more by linking word magician with the word I, that the person who is speaking self, representing self as I, he is the magician. In same way, he became a physician. The word became is linking verb and it is adding something more in the pronoun he. And in this way, in one word or in two words, it is describing, defining that he is the physician. So what is the definition of he? What is the personality of he? That he is the physician. His profession is physician. In this way, linking verb, what does linking verb works to link, to add something more in the head word in the pronoun. After this, I shall proceed towards the non-finite verb. What is non-finite verb? Non-finite verb, as finite verb has a finite verb is controlled by its subject, time and tense, but non-finite verb is not controlled by its subject, time and tense. It becomes free. It whatever tense, time be, it does not matter for this verb. This non-finite verb can be divided again in three parts. First part is infinitive, second part participle, and third part gerund. This infinitive of non-finite can be divided into two parts, bare infinitive and infinitive with two. What is bare infinitive? Whenever infinitive verb is used without two, then it is called the bare infinitive. But when infinitive verb is used with the two, then it becomes the infinitive. How? Through example, you can see that when we use modal verb, after modal verb we do not use the to for the infinitive verb. For example, he can, I can call him to do this work. So here to, I can call him to do. So here to is wrong. We shall have to say directly, I can call him do this work, because here the can modal verb has been used and to will not be used here. But here if can is not here, then to can be used before the to. So bare infinitive, same do is used without to, then it comes on the category of bare infinitive, and when do is used with the to, then it becomes the category of infinitive with to. After this participle, participle of non-finite verb, it can be divided into three parts: present participle, past participle, perfect participle. And I shall describe it in different chapter. In one word, I can say present participle is made with by adding the ing in the main form of verb. Past participle is the third form of the verb. Like I found my lost purse. Lose, lost, lost. Lost is the third form of verb, and it works here as adjective because lost purse. Purse is noun, but which purse? Not each and every purse. The lost purse, जो पर्स खोया था. So here the word lost, the verb, but it is working as adjective, and it is the function of participle. Each and every participle that it works as the adjective and verb also. So all these will be described in next video later. And perfect participle, it is the third form having plus the third form of the verb, and it also functions or works in same way like other participles, that is the adjective plus verb. And after gerund, ing form of the verb is called the gerundial form, and it comes under the category of non-finite verb. Now chance term of the auxiliary verb. What is auxiliary verb? Auxiliary means helping, which helps with the main verb and decides the time and tense of the sentence, action of the subject. So auxiliary verb can be divided into basically two parts: modal auxiliary, primary auxiliary. Model auxiliaries are all model verbs can, could, may, might, shall, should, will, would. This model chapter will be described later after this video and the next videos whatever time come. So all 13 model verbs are the model auxiliaries. Primary auxiliary can be divided into three parts: be, do, have. Be, that is the is, am, are, was, were, be, been, and being. And primary second do form: do, does, did. And have form: have, has, had. In this way, this is the whole chart of the verb. And all these one by one, first of all finite, how all these are divided, then non-finite, how all these divided, and then auxiliary and how these are divided will be described in the later videos one by one as time will come. If any doubt occurs, then contact me, otherwise thank you. Have a nice day.